Will I see your lips start moving, spitting out some kind of poison through them? So come on, give me all you got now, bird. So come on, why you holding back your words?